Thanks to the chicken.
Thanks to the chicken. For what?
For giving us this opportunity so that we can build our muscle, clean our body and may be able to
Vagu. Okay. Welcome to another episode of Big Leads TV. You are tuned in with your boy Uswakile all the way from Pietermaritzburg, Ezwenile Zone. Today we're in Durban. We're going to be doing egg challenge. Significant amaqanda 60. If we completed the low challenge, significant 100 rand. So already lana langme khona umuntu vele ose ready for the challenge. Bafo unjani bafo? Ngiyaphila number bafo. Xa ubuza uba igama lakho bafo.
Utshepo Mutaung.
Tshepo Mutaung, kupa ubutsa gore utswa kae?
Kitswakele Free State.
Utswa Free State Tshepo. Are you ready for this challenge?
You're ready ntate.
Okay, a re thome ge re bone gore wa representa Lesotho. Let's get to it. Okay, bafo kuzoba kanje. Cela ukubambela inkomishi thatha iqanda uphihlize la. Ya ngicombambele mngana nazoke. Bafethu, this is egg number 1 and uGuy uzoqala. Asazi noma uzowazi kuyenza lento le. Let's go. Egg number 1 done. Let's go to number 2. Singabe sawa police amaseko bafethu. We save last for best. So let's make it work. This is egg number 2 guys. Utshepo uzimisele guys. Akadlali. Egg number 2. Okay, khona into asayikhipha uTshepo la akafuna ukuphuza yonke into. Uwasha uTshepo la mfethu. Yeah. Asambe Tshepo. Egg number 2 completed. Let's go to egg number 3. Yes. Ngeke lo muntu lo akawezwa amaqanda. Yabona ukuthi angikholwa ukuthi usazowathosa emendlini. Ayisihambile ngempela imali. Egg number 3. Egg number 3 down on the throat. Okay, asibheke manje egg number 4. Tshepo ngazi ukuthi uyijwayele lento udlala ngathi ukuthi awukwazi uyenze.
Thanks to the chicken.
Thanks to the chicken. For what?
For giving us this opportunity so that we can build our muscle, clean our body and may be able to
Vagu. Okay, guys, mabonga Big League TV ubonga ne chicken ngamaqanda. Okay, sik egg number 5 and kungekudala sizobe sesiya kuyiqanda lethu lokugcina. uTshepo guys uyayishaya lento akayizwa mfethu. I don't think this guy uyayiqala lento lo mfethu ngathi kade ayenza lento. Egg number 5 down the throat. Okay guys, sesokwenza iqanda lokugcina manje and uTshepo akakami. Tshepo usure ukuthi usa right?
Thanks to the chickens.
This guy is saying thanks to the chicken, nothing else. Let's do our last egg. Thank you Tshepo. Okay guys, let's do a countdown for Imuge manje. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ayike. Guys, niyayibonela ke nani mfethu usewenzile wonke amaqanda uTshepo bekuyiqanda lesilokugcina leli and we completed the task. Tshepo mfethu, how do you feel ngoba usudlela amaqanda?
I feel like I can have more.
Yeah. You still want more?
Yes, I can have more. Kodwa ngiyabonga ke ukuthi hayi nami nje hayi nonkosikazi uzozwa ukuthi hayi le ndoda ezimisela namhlanje.
Okay, ngicela uthathe ithuba ubonge abaka Big Leads TV.
Siyabonga Big Leads TV, siyabonga sicela ukuthi nihlezi niza ngamanye ama competitions sizonisupporta ngoba nani niyasupporta kanjalo. So ngiyazi ukuthi with this hamper engizoyithola I will be able to buy myself cosmetics, book myself a shelter and yes.
Siyambongela bafethu uTshepo, niyabona ukuthi le mali le ngicela ungibambelela mngana nami, niyabona ukuthi le mali ibuyisize ezintweni eziright. Sengizomnikeza umkomelo wakhe ke uTshepo. Monna kiyena chelete ya hawo re a leboga gagolo.
Ra leboga Big Leads TV.
Hayi njoba nibona ke nani abantu bayayibongela bafethu. Uthe uzoyenzana imali bafo?
Ngizothenga ama cosmetics then bese ngikhokhela i-shelter.
Okay. Yes. That's very nice. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu, sesiqedile i-challenge yethu namhlanje. Catch us on our next episode. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. We out.